Producing a good sound on your instrument is a very important factor when it comes to performing arts. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to produce a good sound on the Yangqin. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Patrick and welcome to my video channel. I'm a Yangqin instrumentalist in Singapore, graduated from Central Conservatory of Music, and I have more than 10 years of teaching experience. If you are new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be sharing everything you need to know regarding Yangqin performing arts. Whether you are a new beginner, an experienced player, or even someone who just took up an instrument, I will also be sharing about my life lesson as a musician, as well as music tips that will definitely benefit you in your music journey. So stick around. Before you can produce a good sound on the Yangqin, please make sure that you are able to hold the Yangqin stick properly first. I have linked a video link below in the description box sharing with you how to hold the Yangqin sticks. Please go and take a look first before you come to this lesson because it is very crucial. Alright, so I'm going to share with you another important factors on producing a good sound, and that is the movement of the sticks. The movement of the sticks must always be straight up and down like this. Up, down, up, down. Make sure it's vertically up and vertically down. Why is it so? Because every string has a hitting point. And once you understand where is the hitting point, you just move straight up and down to the point. Then this way it will increase your accuracy during performance. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate to you how a good sound should sound like. I do it with two hands, it will sound like this. Even if I play an octave, it sounds like this. One thing to take note is when you are going down, you make sure that you bounce off the sticks like this. What happens if you do not bounce off the sticks? It will sound like this. This is a common mistake that most beginners do. They always go down but they never come out. So make sure that you go down and bounce off. As for bouncing how high, you don't have to go like this. This is too high. Just make sure when you bounce off the strings, you just leave a few cm away from the string and it will definitely sound good enough. The most important thing is to have a solid and firm sound. In order for you to have a solid and firm sound, it goes back to how you hold your sticks. If you are not holding your sticks properly, most of the beginners always do this. Because the pivot using the index finger and the thumb is not pressing down and not pinching on the sticks, you will not be able to produce a firm sound. So please remember, firm sound comes from the gripping of the thumb and index finger, and the other three act as a wall to make sure that it doesn't move left and right. In this way, you have a total control, and the movement of the sticks come from your wrist by moving vertical up and vertical down. So this is how you produce a good sound on the Yangqin. I hope this video has helped you to get an insight of how to produce a good sound on the Yangqin. If through my video you are able to produce a good sound, hit on the like button and let me know in the comment below. I will be very happy to know about it. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to leave a comment also and I will do my best to reply. Thank you for watching the video and I will see you in the next one.